Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. I believe that God put us in this jolly world to be happy and enjoy life. I intend to live life, not just exist. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact. The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Life, if well lived, is long enough. I think being in love with life is a key to eternal youth. Life is full of banana skins. You slip, you carry on. Life is like a piano. What you get out of it depends on how you play it. The secret of life is enjoying the passage of time. Look at life with the eyes of a child. Life comes from physical survival, but the good life comes from what we care about. If it's going to make you happy, go for it. Life is short. Life is ours to be spent, not to be saved. Music is moonlight in the gloomy night of life. Without music, life would be a mistake. Our lives are not determined by what happens to us, but how we react to what happens. Not by what life brings us, but the attitude we bring to life. The way you think, the way you behave, the way you eat can influence your life by 30 to 50 years. Dr. Deepak Chopra. Life is partly what we make it, and partly what it is made by the friends we choose. Pain makes man think, thought makes man wise, wisdom makes life endurable. A dog will teach you unconditional love. If you can have that in your life, things won't be too bad. When you are grateful, when you can see what you have, you unlock blessings to flow in your life. It is through gratitude for the present moment that the spiritual dimension of life opens up. Loss is part of life. If you don't have loss, you don't grow. Life is a moving, breathing thing. We have to be willing to constantly evolve. Perfection is constant transformation. A simple life is good with me. I don't need a whole lot. For me, a t-shirt, a pair of shorts, barefoot on a beach, and I am happy. Jani, music composer. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Steve Jobs. Life is a game. Money is how we keep score. Money cannot buy peace of mind. It cannot heal ruptured relationships or build meaning into a life that has none. The secret of success is to be in harmony with existence, to be always calm, to let each wave of life wash us a little farther up the shore. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.